BMW came out with some impressive iDrive systems over the years, but as those years go on, those iDrive systems start looking, well, older and older. One of the best things you can do to your BMW is upgrade your iDrive system with BimmerTech, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing today on this Highlight Plus. This F30 owner decided to upgrade his aging infotainment system to BMW's ID5, ID6 with BimmerTech. This comes with a new head unit, a bigger screen, coding session, and a new iDrive controller. Of course, you also get all the necessary cables and other hardware as well. This owner wanted the ability to use Android Auto, so he opted to get our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime as well. This will unlock Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as allow camera integration, screen mirroring, and so much more. We have a complete step-by-step installation video on an ID5, ID6 upgrade for an F30, as well as an MMI Prime installation, so if you want to see those videos, well, check the links in the description of this one here. However, this video is just going to be basically an overview to get your gears turning to see about what you can do with your F30 with BimmerTech. So let's get started. To complete any installation of a BimmerTech product, you're going to want to pick up a DIY Essentials Kit and a Trim Tool Kit. Both can be found on our website and come with all the tools you need and more. They're also great to keep in your car as well. To get this product installed, you're going to need to remove a bit of the center trim, which is a mixture of clips, connectors, and T20 screws. Removing your head unit and screen is also straightforward. Replacing your iDrive controller is only 3 screws and simply cake. Running the GPS cable to the back of the car involves more trim coming off and feeding of the cable, but it's pretty therapeutic once you get going. You then have to run a few more cables like this USB cable and this video cable. Then after you plug in the screen, it simply falls into place just like it was meant to be. The installation of the MMI Prime and head unit involves feeding more cables and plugging in all the plug-and-play harnesses and connectors. Once you place your order, you'll receive a detailed PDF set of instructions for your vehicle showing where everything goes. And there is also a good chance that there will be a YouTube video on our channel showing the steps as well. Once the new head unit is hooked up, slide it in place, and once the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime is hooked up, slide that into place as well. After everything is installed, you'll need to have everything coded with your remote coding session that you will have booked before the process. When your appointment time is reached, follow the prompts that our technician gives you over the chat software, and then he will take care of the rest. When everything is good to go, button everything back up and enjoy the revitalization you've given to your BMW. While there are quite a few steps to installing 2 of our bigger products on your BMW, if you follow the instructions we send you and take your time, you'll do fine. Want this kit for your BMW? Well then head on over to our website and into your VIN to get the right kit for your vehicle. To make installation a breeze, you're going to want to pick up our DIY Essentials Kit and Trim Tool Kit as well, or if you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, well then you can find a certified installer near you. We have in about 30 countries around the world, and you can also find them on our website. But hey, if you're in the Orlando, Florida area, well then stop on by and we can do it for you. And keep in mind that our world-class support is only a phone call away and will be with you during and after the installation. For more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.